Good morning, students. So class, as we are on chapter 2, microorganisms, friend or foe. So we have read about microorganisms. Very small organisms that cannot be seen with our naked eyes are called microorganisms, and the study is known as microbiology. So there are 5 different kinds of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae and viruses. So now today we will see one by one. First is bacteria. Okay, its singular is known as bacterium. So these are non-green unicellular microscopic organisms. They may be spherical, rod shaped, spiral and comma shaped. Spherical, coccus; rod shaped, bacillus; spiral, spirillum; comma shaped, vibrio. You can see in the picture also, page number 29. Escherichia coli is a friendly bacterium that respires anaerobically. Anaerobically means without oxygen, and aerobically means in the presence of oxygen, and is found in our alimentary canal also, that is food pipe. And the branch of science that deals with the study of bacteria, it is called bacteriology. Now we will see next, second, fungi. Its singular is fungus. Fungi are non-green plants because they do not have the green pigment called chlorophyll. Fungi, you have seen bread mold, mushrooms, these all are the examples of fungi. They may be unicellular, comprised of one cell, or multicellular. Multicellular means comprised of many cells, and unicellular, one cell. Yeasts are unicellular and bread molds are multicellular fungi. Though they are called microorganisms, they may or may not be microscopic. माइक्रोस्कोप से देख भी सकते हैं, ऐसे भी देख सकते हैं. They may or may not. They grow in almost every habitat where organic matter is present. They can grow in light or in dark, on moist bread, leather shoes, rotten vegetables, fruits, animal dung, rotten logs, etc. Bread molds, mushroom, yeast, penicillium, aspergillus, etc. are some examples of fungi. The science that deals with the study of fungi is called mycology. So see, you have seen कभी देखो पिकल्स पे या ब्रेड पे कई दिन तक रखी रहें तो उस पर कुछ फफूंदी जिसे हम कहते हैं, ओके, दैट इज ओनली फंगी. ओके, नाउ द थर्ड वन इज प्रोटोजोआ, दैट सिंगुलर प्रोटोजोन. They are also microscopic unicellular organisms and are present in various shapes. They have pseudopodia like amoeba. I told you pseudopodia, false feet. Okay, amoeba क्या करती है, अपनी false feet बना लेती है. और flagella, it is whip-like, और cilia, that is hair-like cilia paramecium के होते हैं. Flagella also. Okay, and यूग्लिना होता है, उसका निकला होता है फ्लैजेला. ओके, इट इज़ अ whip like structure and that help in the movement from one place to another. They are found in water or on land or inside the body of living organisms. Amoeba and paramecium are the examples of protozoa. Next is algae. Its singular is alga. Algae are primarily aquatic plants that live in water. Aquatic, you know, that grow in water or live in moist conditions. They may be unicellular or multicellular. Some algae are very small and can be seen only under a microscope, but some may be several meters long. They are green in color because they possess the green pigment called chlorophyll. Algae, they are having chlorophyll. Some of them may be red or brown in color and are called red algae or brown algae respectively. In your previous class, we have learned that algae are autotrophic. Autotrophic means capable of making their own food. Spirogyra, volvox, Eulothrix and Chlamydomonas are the examples of algae. Now the next is viruses. Singular is virus. Viruses are ultra microscopic, non-cellular and highly infectious microorganisms. They come to life and can multiply only inside the body of living organism. जो viruses होते हैं उन्हें living body की ज़रूरत होती है, इसीलिए तुम लोग देखो the very great example you are just seeing also corona virus. Our whole world is suffering from that. तो कोरोना वायरस भी ऐसे ही मल्टीप्लाई होता है जब तक वो ह्यूमन की बॉडी में नहीं जाता है. इट कांट बी मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, सो इसीलिए जब भी कोई दूसरा ह्यूमन उसके कांटेक्ट में नहीं आता है जब तक वो नहीं फैलता है. इसीलिए दीज वायरसेस व्हाट दे डू, दे वांट अ बॉडी टू ग्रो, टू मल्टीप्लाई देयर क्वांटिटी. ओके, सो they show some characteristics of non-living things and some of living things when inside a live host's body. Hence they are considered to be the borderline of living and non-living things and are called biological puzzles. Different examples are like polio virus, influenza virus, tobacco mosaic virus. So these are the examples of viruses. So these are the different types of microorganisms.